This is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to turn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during.
Hello everyone. Today LUNUAFVY takes you to hook this cute little penguin. The crocheting method is simple, perfect for novice friends to relax. Let's get started on this fun crochet trip. Let's go! This part of the body, use a loop stitch. The yarn is on the index finger of his left hand. Let's wrap it twice. Lift down. Twist your little finger. Pick up your index finger and pinch it. Crochet hook goes in. Pick out the thread. Now let's set up a braid pin as a standing pin. In this hole we hook 6 short pins. This is to hook a short needle. In the top right corner of the short needle, there's such a little braid. This braid is the stitch of the short needle. Let's make a mark on this one. Go on. After 6 short stitches, widen the coil a little. Pull and leave this thread first. Look at these 2 wires up here. Which one is active? Pull the thread of activity. The other one just tightened. Then pull the first thread. Take out the scissors and cut the thread. Now we're going to pull out. Let's pull from where we made the mark. Also mark this braid as the second loop. The position where the first needle is inserted. Into position. Wind out. Then run the thread directly through the crochet on this coil. Pull and pull to form a braid like this. Let's squeeze. We're hooked. The first loop is hooked, and there are 6 braids on it. Next we hook a second loop of another braid needle. Let's hook 2 short pins into each braid. It's a short needle to make a mark. And in the same braid let's make another short stitch. It's also called a short pin and a pin. Then there are 2 short pins in the second braid. Crochet straight ahead in order. Let's finish these 6 sets of short stitches. That's a total of 12 shorts. Still marking this place. It's pulling out to make this little braid. Because we don't count as a short, so let's tighten it up. After the second loop, there are 12 braids. That's where we pulled it. The first stitch on the third lap will go in here too. Another braid needle. Stab hook the third round. The third round is 6 sets of 1 short stitch, then 1 extra stitch, a total of 18 stitches. Now start a stand-up needle, then hook the first set. Hook a short needle at the start of the draw. Add a marking buckle to the first short pin. To hook down 1 additional needle is to hook 2 short needles in the same needle. That's the end of the first hook. Then we hook up the remaining 5 sets. The third loop is finished. Remove the marker. The draw is over. Start to hook the 4th round. The 4th round is 6 sets of 1 plus stitch and 2 short stitches, a total of 24 stitches. Now start a stand-up needle, then hook the first set. At the start of the drawer, hook a filler pin that ends hook to short pins in the same stitch. Add a marking buckle to the first short pin. Hook the more short needles down. That's the end of the first hook. Then we hook up the remaining 5 sets. Look for it's done. Take off the marker. Pull around. Start the 5th round. The 5th round is 6 sets of 1 plus stitch and 3 short stitches, a total of 30 stitches. Now start a stand-up needle, then hook the first set. At the beginning of the drawn place, hook a plus pin as to hook 2 short pins in the same stitch. Add a marking buckle to the first short pin. Hook 3 more short pins down, so the first set of hook is finished. Then we hook up the remaining 5 sets. Loop 5 is done. Remove the marker. Pull around. Start to hook the 6th circle. The 6th circle is 6 sets of 1 plus stitch, and for short stitches, a total of 36 stitches. Now start a stand-up needle, then hook the first set. At the beginning of the drawn place, hook a plus pin as to hook 2 short pins in the same stitch. Add a marking buckle to the first short pin. Hook 4 more short needles down, so the first set of hook is finished. Then we hook up the remaining 5 sets. Loop 6 hook is finished. Remove the marker. Pull the end. Start the hook round 7 to 11. Round 7 to 11 is a set of 36 short stitches, 36 stitches in total. Now start a stand-up needle, then hook the first set. Hook 36 short pins at the start of the draw. That's the end of the first hook. And then we hook the remaining 4 loops. That's the end of the first hook. That's the end of the first loop. And then we hook the remaining 4 loops.